Hi everybody, Jason Zickerman here, and I hope you're all doing great. You know, at TAB, we have the privilege of facilitating StratPro workshops. These are our leadership workshops for business owners around the world. Now, while some leadership teams are firing on all cylinders, many struggle to unlock their full potential. And that's where transformation needs to begin. You may be familiar with Patrick Lencioni's 5 dysfunctions of a team: low trust, lack of accountability, poor commitment, and inattention to results, and the avoidance of healthy conflict. Now, these dysfunctions, they could hold back the most talented of teams. But what does a high-functioning team look like? Well, a few years ago, Google's Project Aristotle revealed the key qualities for high-performing teams. Do you know what the most critical factor was? Psychological safety. An environment where team members feel safe and take risks and share their ideas. Other essential factors included dependability, clarity of roles and goals, and work that feels meaningful and impactful. Now, when we help leadership teams improve their effectiveness, we draw from these insights as well as others. We start with team alignment. So ask yourself, is your leadership team truly a team or just a collection of individuals? We help establish shared vision and values which provide the foundation of everyone's success. And we ensure clear communication and focus on execution and accountability, because even the best strategies mean nothing without action. Aristotle once said, "The whole is greater than the sum of the parts." So take a look at your leadership team. Does it live up to this ideal? And if not, what steps can you take today to help it get there? At the Alternative Board, we're here to help you unlock the full potential of your leadership team and your entire business. Give it a thought and let me know what you think.